Children, today I am going to demonstrate here chemical reaction. Actually, we are studying about chemical change. So, here burning of magnesium ribbon is an example of chemical change. So, to demonstrate this activity, I have taken here magnesium ribbon. Children, this is magnesium ribbon. Here sandpaper I have taken. I will say that what is the use of this sandpaper. I will explain it. Tong I have taken. Actually, tong is not available. So whatever is there at home, that I have taken. Candle. Okay, this is small. So candle and water I have taken, and litmus paper. Actually, litmus paper, already you know that these are indicator. So litmus paper I have taken to know when this magnesium ribbon will burn. It will it will give white powder. Okay, we can say white powdery ash. So when that white powdery ash means it is magnesium oxide, when I will add it in water, I will get magnesium hydroxide. So whether that is acidic in nature or basic in nature, that we are going to test by using this red litmus, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. So children, before starting this activity, I have to use this sandpaper to remove coating. Actually, coating is there. See, coating is formed on that, on this magnesium ribbon. As in atmosphere also oxygen is present, so here coating is formed on magnesium ribbon. So first of all, we have to remove it. Okay, now I will light this candle. Actually, burner is needed, but burner is not available here, so I have taken candle. When school will start, I will try to show the same experiment in our laboratory. So now I will hold this magnesium ribbon with the help of this tong. Actually, children, we should not see this burning of magnesium ribbon with naked eyes, because it gives dazzling light, bright dazzling light. It is dangerous for our eyes. It will burn with dazzling light, means bright light, and it will convert into, this magnesium ribbon will convert into white powdery ash. It will convert to white, and it is a chemical change, because totally this totally change we are going to see here. This magnesium ribbon will convert into, it will convert into powdery ash within a seconds. Now it is going to, burn. It is, this magnesium ribbon is burning with dazzling light. Actually, we should not see with the naked eye. This magnesium ribbon is totally converting into white powdery ash. This is white powdery ash. You have seen magnesium ribbon, now this is white powdery ash. So children, now this ash I am going to add in water. So magnesium oxide, when magnesium ribbon burn in the presence of oxygen, we got here magnesium oxide. Now this magnesium oxide powder, means white powder, I have added in water. So here I got magnesium hydroxide. Now we are going to test whether it is acidic in nature or basic in nature. Already you know that this is a red litmus paper, blue litmus paper. When red litmus paper dipped in acid, it remains red. But in base, if I dip it, means it will turn into blue. In the same way, when blue litmus paper is dipped in acid, means it will turn into red. But if I dip it in basic solution, means it will remain blue. So let me try with this red litmus paper. So I have dipped this red litmus paper in magnesium hydroxide solution. You can see the change. Here red litmus paper turned into blue. So this magnesium hydroxide solution is basic in nature. Magnesium hydroxide solution is basic in nature. Let me try with blue litmus paper also. When I dip this one, here blue litmus paper remained blue. There is no change. Means we can say that this is basic in nature. This solution means magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. Children, this magnesium ribbon means Mg now. Magnesium is Mg. Okay, let me write here magnesium. Magnesium when burnt in the presence of oxygen, O2. 2 we have tried at the base. Oxygen means it gives magnesium oxide, MgO. Okay, here we are not going to study about balancing and all, that we'll study later. So here it is magnesium oxide. When this magnesium oxide, already you have seen that magnesium oxide, when this ribbon is burned in the presence of oxygen, we got magnesium oxide, that is powdery ash. Then this powdery ash means MgO ash, magnesium oxide is dipped in water, means H2O. Dipped in water means H2O. Here we get magnesium hydroxide, means in bracket I wrote OH2. Here 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. Magnesium hydroxide. Which is basic in nature. See children, we were having one magnesium ribbon, and when it burned in the presence of oxygen, finally we got here magnesium hydroxide. This is a chemical change and it is irreversible.